Customer Experience News is a weekly newsletter and a video about the most important news and discussions for customer experience and customer support leaders. This is all the weekly news that you need in and around 5 minutes. Zendesk released unified navigation, Ada and Medallia announced a partnership, Pylon continued expanding channel support with SMS, and we will dive deeper into those updates, plus other exciting headlines from Linear, Plain, Pluno, Attio, Freshworks, Notion, and Dixa. But first, a quick word from our sponsor, Rush to Resolution. If you're a support leader who knows your team needs better systems, but you're too buried in the queue to build them, stick with me just for 30 seconds. You're hitting your numbers, but it's costing you nights and weekends, and your best people are burning out. You can see the problems like manual escalations, outdated articles, and AI that's causing this new layer of confusion, but there's no time to fix them. I've been there. I inherited 10,000 unanswered conversations and turned it into 98% CSAT, expanding my team globally, rewrote the entire knowledge base, and automated our processes. Rush to Resolution helps support leaders build the systems that scale so that you are not the system anymore. Go to rushtoresolution.com and schedule a call today. Let's dive into the news. Zendesk is rolling out unified navigation across its product suite. The update introduces a consistent interface for switching between products, side navigation panels with standardized icons, and a unified search placement across support, admin center, workforce management, quality assurance, and AI agents. Support-specific improvements include highlighted active ticket tabs, drag and drop tab reordering, and an overflow menu for agents working multiple conversations. User profiles also got a unified look across different products. The practical impact is that it reduces training time when onboarding team members across multiple Zendesk products and less context switching friction for teams that move between support and admin center regularly. The current limitations include no unified nav yet for analytics, chat, HyperArc, or contact center, but those are coming later. Linear, a project management tool primarily used by engineers and product teams, launched the personalization of the mobile app bottom toolbar. The benefit specifically for CX leaders is the ability to pin specific projects, initiatives, or documents. Bugs, features, sprints are easier accessed in the Linear mobile experience. Ada, an AI agent platform, and Medallia, a VOC and experience management platform, announced a joint solution that feeds Medallia's omni-channel customer intelligence, like surveys, calls, and digital signals, directly into Ada's AI agents to personalize workflows and automate resolutions. The integration applies Medallia's risk scores and quality rubrics to Ada's interactions, enabling policy-compliant automation on complex queries that traditional bots can't handle. Plain, a support platform for high-growth B2B and technical teams, launched a number of performance updates that makes the app feel faster and respond quicker, especially for workspaces with large number of threads. They use incremental syncing since the last visit instead of full workspace refreshes. Pylon, a support platform built for B2B, has expanded their connected sources beyond Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord. In January alone, they launched support for Telegram, WhatsApp, and SMS. A side note to think about, as support platforms are scaling their connected sources, this is a prime time to rethink where your customers are and consider your offered communication channels. This is the reason that CX News is here for you, so you can learn about the latest updates and make informed process decisions. Pluno's QA feature now checks human agent responses against your knowledge base, scoring accuracy on a 1 to 5 scale with specific feedback. The update also introduces silent escalations, routing high urgency tickets like billing disputes, security issues, and VIPs directly to humans without telling the customer that a handoff is happening. Attio, a CRM platform for startup and growth stage companies, added new integrations with Product Board for pushing customer insights into product decisions, and Just Call for syncing calls, texts, and voicemails into the CRM. Attio also extended email tracking to deals and custom objects, letting teams configure multiple email tabs per record to organize conversations by company domain or linked contacts. Freshworks, an AI agent for IT management, allows admins to enable Freddy AI agent on selected support portals for a targeted set of requesters. This allows teams to evaluate real usage, gather insights, and confidently expand the rollout before enabling it organization-wide. Notion releases version 3.2, and the primary focus was launching access to AI notes from mobile devices. Everything your Notion agent can do on your desktop or laptop can now be done on your phone. They also released access to Claude Opus 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, and ChatGPT 5.2. Dixa now integrates with in-grid tracking, adding an inline delivery experience platform. This means that tracking information is directly in the conversation sidebar, reducing the need to switch between platforms. You can find links directly to these product updates on our website at cx-news.com. Find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify, and Instagram. Thanks for watching or listening to Customer Experience News. Have a great day and a productive week.